I'm Battalion Senior Under Officer Usman Anwar from Noshki, Balochistan. I studied from Military College Sui. Alhamdulillah, today I have been awarded with the coveted Sword of Honor for being the overall best cadet of my course, 144 PMA Long Course. Besides sheer hard work, prayers of my parents, and relentless efforts of my faculty and instructors of Pakistan Military Academy have been the deciding factor for the achievement of this distinction. Inshallah, in the future I will work hard with the same zeal and devotion to come up to the expectations of my nation. May Allah Almighty help me to lead from the front with courage and devotion to defend the motherland, Pakistan, till my last breath.
I am Battalion Senior Under Officer Hamza Nazir of 144th PMA Long Course and I belong to Jhelum. Alhamdulillah, today I have been awarded with the President's Gold Medal for being the overall second best cadet of my course. Besides sheer hard work, I have realized this dream through the prayers of my parents and the training imparted by my instructors, both at Pakistan Military Academy and my alma mater, Military College Murree. I wish to become an asset that this nation and Pakistan Army is proud of. Pakistan Zindabad.
I am Friendly Country Senior Under Officer Piris from Sri Lanka. I successfully completed my 2 years of training at Pakistan Military Academy. Today I have been awarded with the Joint Chief of Army Staff Best Overseas Gold Medal. It is a great honor for me to get this award from this prestigious and one of the finest military academy of the world. I would like to thank Major General Omar Ahmed Bukhari, Commandant Pakistan Military Academy, my platoon commanders, my faculty members,